today. Wonder what it will be. Biscuits, muffins, roast sweet bread. Will it be made in bread machine or in a pan in the oven?
So today we're making a LouAnn bread. So I got a half a cup of buttermilk, which actually is whole milk with some vinegar in it. To that, we're going to add a cup and a third, I think it's a cup and a third, of wheat flour. There's a cup. Make sure. So now we're going to add 2/3 cup of bread flour. That's okay if you ain't got bread flour with this. So there's our 2/3 cups. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I did just add an 8-ounce can of well-drained crushed pineapple to this. I should have added it down there on the bottom, but I didn't. We're going to add a half teaspoon of baking soda, not baking powder. We're adding baking soda. And to this, we're going to add a teaspoon and a half of yeast. And of course, we're going to add a tablespoon of butter to this. And it does call for coconut. I do not have coconut. So this is what we're doing, and you know the rest. We're going to plug this bread machine in and put light crust, and we will be making some LouAnn bread.